Hi guys, and welcome to another iPad mini video. And in this video what I want to do is take some pictures from my iPad mini and put them somewhere else. I went out recently on a little trip and I took some videos and some still camera shots which I need to use for another video which is going to be about the iPad mini. Unfortunately, what I need to do is put them on one of these. This is of course the laptop that I use to make my videos, so I've got to get the files from this iPad onto this computer. Now when I think about what I may have to possibly do in order to do this is use something called iTunes, which makes me think of this. Now it's been quite a while since I've used Apple products. I do remember that with very old iPods they actually acted as portable hard drives, so you could get files on and off the device which weren't necessarily connected to the Apple products. In other words, you couldn't just put on music and expect it to work. It all had to go through iTunes. Now I'm not entirely sure if this is going to be the same issue with the pictures, so I'm just basically going to plug the iPad into the computer and see what happens. So bear with me as I just plug it in precariously because my iPad mini is currently on a pedestal. But it's plugged in fine, so we'll see what the computer can do with the fact that I've plugged it in. So it's now come up and it's said that the iPad is ready. So what can I actually see with the iPad? It's saying that it has detected internal storage, which is promising, and it looks as if it's picked up the camera pictures, which means that I can look at these pictures, which is excellent news. I'm not sure why it's put the pictures upside down, but I don't need to worry about that. But that means I can get these files off the iPad and onto the computer. So I might as well take these files off the iPad while I've got it plugged in, and we'll see actually how fast this lightning connector is. It's plugged into a USB 3 port on a laptop. I don't know if it is USB 3, but we'll certainly find out. It's doing a 300 meg file there, or it was doing a 40 meg file there, which seems to be pretty quick, but not amazingly quickly. One more thing to note while it's doing this, and I hope I can still do this while the transfer is going on, is that even though the iPad is plugged into the computer, you will see here that it is not charging. So there's not enough power on laptop USBs, it looks like, to charge the iPad. You can do this on an Nexus 7, but it does do it very slowly. But if, for example, you take it to work and you work on a computer all day, you can plug it into a computer and let it charge up over the course of a working day, but obviously you can't do that with an iPad, which is a little unfortunate, but well, I guess it's just another one of those minor things which is a distinction between the two devices. But there we are, it transferred over the stuff, I would say moderately quickly, about 20 seconds, and there was one file there which was 250 meg, but the rest were quite small, so it's probably about 300 meg that's been transferred over there, and it took about 20 seconds. So there's another quick video. Hope you found that useful. Any questions, please ask, and I'll see if I can get you the answers. And look at that little Android there lurking in the background. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all again soon.